Hello everyone. Today I am very happy because I am very grateful to the universe because I have this jacket and now I am feeling very happy because now I have no intention to record the video. So today I will discuss about B now. So first of all, bachelor. What is the meaning of bachelor? So a man who remains unmarried. A man who remains unmarried. Second, bakery. Second, bakery. A place where bread and cakes are made. Okay. Third, blood. A man having no hair on the scalp and blooded as senseless talk or writing. Bell. Okay, a large bundle bound for storage or transport. Blood. What is the meaning of blood? A poem instead of stranger narrating a popular story. Okay, bending. Using an idea, term, or nature frequently in casual talk. Bankrupt. One who is unable to pay his debt. Okay. Barometer, an instrument used for measuring atmospheric pressure. Brakes. Okay. Place given to soldier to live in. Barrel. What is the meaning of barrel? मतलब a wooden drum in which beer uh, or oil is stored. Bask. What is the meaning of bask? A reveal in and make the most of something pleasing. Battery. What is the meaning of battery? A group of guns or missile launches operated together at one place. My eyes. You can see my eyes. It is not good right now, so I am feeling something. You can tell me. Uh, Battery and bellicose. A person who is fond of fighting. Then I will talk about billow. The sound made by crocodile called billow. Okay, benefactor. What is the name of benefactor? One who helps people by giving them money or other aid. That's called benefactor. Beneficiary. What is the name of beneficiary? A person who gains as a result of something. Bereft. What is the name of bereft? Deprived of a lacking of something. Beverage. What is the meaning of beverage? मतलब any soft drink except water. Baby. What is the meaning of baby means? Baby means a group of girls, boys, but it is bibliography. A list of the books referred to any scholarly work. Bibliomania. Okay, preoccupation with the acquisition and possession of books. That's called bibliography. And now I will talk about bibliomania. Preoccupation with the acquisition and possession of books. Bibliophile. Okay, one who is a great lover of books called bibliophile. And now I will talk about bicentennial, 200th century. Biennial, happening every second year. Bigot, a person who is intolerant towards those holding different opinions. Bilingual, a person who can speak only two languages. Bi-monthly, twice a month. Biodegradable. What is it? Biodegradable, capable of being decomposed by biological agents, especially bacteria. Biography. Okay, the story of a person's life written by somebody else. Okay, biology, study of living organism called biology. Okay, biopsy. What is the meaning of biopsy? The removal of tissue from the body of somebody who is ill and its examination in order to find out more about the disease. Visare. What is the visare means? Very strange or unusual. Okay, blasphemy. Okay, words uttered impartially about God, the act of speaking irreverently about scared things. Okay, bleat. The sound made by sheep called bleat. Boer. A person of South Arabian descent. Bohemian. What is the name Bohemian? The meaning of Bohemian. Oh my God. I am sorry for it. Bohemian. Uh, One who does not follow the usual rules of a social life and unconventional style of living called bohemian. Bombard. What is the bombard means? Subject or continuous flow of questions, criticism, and information. Bombastic. What is the bombastic? Using high sounding words but with little meaning. Bonsai. Bonsai means dwarf varieties of trees and shrubs grown in pots. And then bookworm. Bookworm means an avid book reader, one who reads a lot. That's called bookworm. Boomerang, a hunting weapon which comes back, used by Australian aborigines. Okay, borrow. What is the meaning of borrow? To take something on the lawn with the intention of returning it. Botanist. What is the meaning of botanist? One who is well versed in the knowledge of plants. Botany, the scientific study of plant and their structure. Bottleneck. What is the meaning of bottleneck? A narrow or busy section of roads where the traffic often gets slower and stops. And now I will talk about a Bavli yard. Bavli yard, a broad road bordered with trees. That's called a Bavli yard. Okay, Vavicute. What is the meaning of Vavicute? An arrangement of flowers that usually given as a present. Okay, Vurjus, belonging to middle class that whole Jews. Okay, boutique. What is the meaning of boutique? Is shop that sells women's clothes and jewelry. Bovine. What is the meaning of bovine? Affected to relating to cows, pertaining to cattle. Okay, bower. Bower. What is the meaning of bower? Is steady place under trees. Okay, breeze. What is the meaning of breeze? The meaning of breeze is an act of breaking or failing to observe a lot called breeze. Very very. What is the meaning of very very? A factory where beer is made, that called very very. Viridal. What is the meaning of viridal? Leather straps put around a horse head to control it. Okay. Bavrigand. What is the meaning of Bavrigand? Means member of a band of robbers called Bavrigand. Brittle. What is the meaning of brittle? Hard but easily broken, able to break easily. Okay, brood. What is the meaning of brood? The young of an animal carried for at one time a family of young birds. Brunch. What is the meaning of brunch? A meal that is usually taken late in the morning that combines a late breakfast and an early lunch. Brunty. A woman with dark brown hair and then budgeting. What is the meaning of budgeting? Budgeting means an itemized summary of estimated expenses for given priority along with proposal for financing them. Okay. Bullion. What is the meaning of bullion? Gold and silver using for manufacturing ornament. Then called bundle. What is a bundle? A collection of sticks. Then a bungalow, a large single detached house with single or double story called a bungalow. Bureaucracy. What is the meaning of bureaucracy? A government run by officials in a state. Burglar. What is the meaning of burglar? A person who enters a building illegally in order to steal. Burrow. What is the meaning of burrow? The meaning of burrow, like a hole excavated by an animal dwelling. Buzz. What is the meaning of buzz? Buzz, buzz. The sound made by bees and byre. Place where cows are sheltered. Okay. ये था हमारा बी का. आपको बी वाला कैसा लगा जरूर बताइए. देखिए दोस्त, सबसे पहली बात तो आपके पास जो कुछ भी, आपके पास ये जैकेट है, जैकेट में थोड़ा मोड़ा छेद हो सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है, लेकिन इसके लिए आप ग्रेटफुल हुई जो आपको ठंडे से बचा रहा हो. एंड आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल दैट आई हैव जैकेट and it covers me from this winter, and I am very very happy because I have this jacket. And be grateful for anything. I know that there is a hole, you can see that this hole is given by Aman, my brother. He is a small boy, but what I can kill him, I can beat him, I can shield him. No, this is a jacket, this cost 1,000 rupees, but I do not talking about this jacket. I am talking about his quality. It's very good quality jacket, and I am very happy because I have the jacket, and because I have 3 minute time, then I can tell anything, any illogical, any ridiculous thing. So my friend, if I will talk about, if you want to become a very great man, if you want to become very happy, if you want to become very rich, then let go. Letting go is the best example, my friend. अगर आप एक थॉट को पकड़े रखते हो तो वो आपको हैप्पीनेस नहीं, आपको सर्व नहीं करेगी. तो थॉट्स को जो सर्व नहीं कर रही है तो उसको लेट गो कीजिए. लेटिंग गो इज़ वेरी गुड एग्जाम्पल फॉर योर हैप्पीनेस. इफ़ यू वांट टू बिकम हैप्पी, इफ़ यू वांट टू बिकम कॉम इन योर लाइफ, देन लेटिंग गो. एवरी सक्सेसफुल मैन इन द वर्ल्ड सफर्स फ्रॉम ये लॉट ऑफ इनकन्वीनियंस इन दी everyday life, but he do one thing, that is letting go. He let go the bad thing. So letting go is the good example. If you let go, then you will feel good. If you do not let go, then you will not feel good. So letting go is the best example, my friend. And I am very happy to record video here. एंड मैंने आपको जैसे बोला था कि ब्लैक बुक का मैं ये ABCDEFGHIJKLMNOPQRSTUVWXYZ सबका खूबसूरत सा प्ले लिस्ट मैं आपको कर दूंगा. सबसे पहले यहाँ पर मैं लिखूंगा इंट्रो OWS, उसके बाद ये BCD पूरे तरीके से खूबसूरत तरीके से मैं आपको दूंगा और आप इसको देखोगे तो दोस्त आप लोग तो OWS का डर ही भूल जाओगे. क्या होता है OWS? आप लोगों का OWS हो, चाहे इंडियम्स फ्रेजेस हो, चाहे सिनोनियम्स एंटोनियम्स हो, चाहे हिंदू वोकैबुलरी हो, चाहे होमोनियम्स हो, चाहे फ्रेजल वर्ब हो, चाहे स्पेशल वर्ड हो, चाहे रूट वर्ड हो, चाहे कुछ भी हो, आपको इस चैनल पर बहुत ही स्पेसिफिक और बहुत ही खूबसूरत वे से मैं आपको प्रोवाइड करूँगा। आपको कोई टेंशन नहीं होगी दोस्त, बिकॉज यहाँ पर इंग्लिश मैं पढ़ा रहा हूँ। आई एम नितिन, द बेस्ट टीचर ऑफ इंग्लिश।